Skilled occupational therapy helps people live their best and most independent lives by giving them the skills and the tools and the resources that they need in order to be able to participate and engage in meaningful activities that are important to them, despite whatever varying challenges they might face.
Ready for the day.
What made me want to pursue a career in occupational therapy is because I've always wanted to help children, and I thought OTA would be a good thing to pursue that.
So they're learning from birth through elderly, kind of how to treat all of those patients, different impairments they may have, and how we can assist them to live their lives to the fullest, no matter what diagnosis or what abilities they have.
On an academic level, what OTA faculty strive to do is to make sure that we are implementing content and meeting different learning styles through the content that we're providing. So in our lectures, our students are getting auditory and visual and hands-on components that are then going to prepare them for how they're going to have to perform and what they'll experience in field work and in these settings as entry-level practitioners.
My favorite part about the OTA program so far has been just like all the hands-on we've getting, and we get to talk about like real life stories, so it like makes you feel like you're in it.
I love the student interaction. I love getting to hear their input, their creativity. They come up with treatment ideas that I would have never thought of. So just some of that newfound creativity is fun. Getting that collaboration has been awesome, and getting to watch them kind of grow from when they first come in and don't really know much about the field to all the way through when we get to send them out to field work.
My favorite part about the OTA program is being creative and being able to come up with different interventions and different therapy options for kids and adults.
The instructors have been incredible. They believe in us so much and come alongside us and help us succeed.
My favorite thing about the OTA program has really been the bonds that I've made with my fellow classmates. We've been through a lot together in a short span of time, and it's really something special, and I think a lot of them will be my colleagues and friends for a long time.
As far as the demand for occupational therapy practitioners in our area, there is a lot of job security, I'm glad to say. The U.S. Labor Bureau of Statistics projects a 36% growth in our field over the next 10 years, which again, that's just job security for us.
The reason I'm in the program is to make a difference, and I feel like this is my purpose, is to be able to help others.
I would definitely recommend this program to someone who is interested in OTA.
I would say do it. There's no excuses. It's affordable, it's quality education.
And it's really made me feel confident in my abilities as a practitioner.
You're setting yourself up for success in the long run.